Hey guys, today's video is going to be a super fun, fast video. Just sharing with you guys some of these little bag toppers that I've made. And yeah, I wanted to share with you what they look like and hopefully inspire you guys to go make some of your own. I am holding my phone right now because it's super late and I figured why I don't just hold the phone and show you guys at the same time, and hopefully the lighting goes in better angles here. So here's the first one. It's a pink doily and I did the sewing on the crepe paper right here. I put a cute little label and then a little word sticker that says #forever. Some of these flowers from Michael's, and they open up like that you can use it on a packaging. Some of them sticking together because of the glue, but aren't they adorable? So this is the first one that I've made. Here's another one that's super fun. It's a white doily with some pink crepe paper, a little green and white label with a lovely day word sticker, this super fun white flower with some of these leaves that I had found at Michael's in the wedding section. I think it turned out super cute. And then we have this one right here is using the holographic doilies by Martha Stewart, and since it has a lot of purple coming through, I figured why not do a little vellum flower and a little purple flower. And then we have like a black label and a gold word sticker that says XOXO. So we have that one, we have that one, and we have that one. Let's bring these over here. And then there's this one, which is on a mint green doily and then mint green crepe paper. Some cute little layering here with the flowers. We got the gold, the vellum, the white flower, the yellow label, and then it says collect beautiful moments. I did sew on the crepe paper for a little extra. So there's that one. And then we have this one with a gigantic flower. It says follow your heart. This cute little fringe paper that I found in my stash. I decided to stitch it with I don't know what kind of stitching that is, but I love the way it turned out. And then here's the doily. So open it up and you're able to use it to decorate a bag. So we have that one. Then we have this one, which is another gold doily, and I put one of those little Maggie Holmes flowers on them. I did a glob of glue and added some glitter onto it just for a little extra. Some more crepe paper, a little blue teal label with this word sticker that says seriously the best. I put it on the bottom so you could still see the stitching, and I think it turned out super cute. And then this one's a little bit bigger. This one has a bigger doily. Same thing with the stitching crepe paper, little label. This is sweet. Bigger flower, glob of glue with a bunch of glitter on top. And then the last few ones we have is this one. This one is a tiny little stitching and another flower with a glob of glitter. Whoa, almost choked. Then we have this one, which is a holographic one again, and it's with a pink crepe paper. This beautiful gray flower that I got at Michael's, this black and white label, and then it says remember this. I think this is one of my faves. Looks so good. And then I'm not sure, did I show this one already? I think I did. I think this is the last one to show, is this one right here. And I did some little gold Maggie Holmes leaves with some flowers, a little bit of a pom-pom trim, and then the little word sticker up here that says loves this. But yeah, you guys, these are all the toppers that I've created. I hope you guys enjoy them. It's just a fun little video to share. It's super late and I wanted to have a video for you guys. I'll have pictures on my Instagram as well. But yeah, you guys, that's it. That's it. That's it for today's video. Oh my god, I got tongue-tied. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've made some of these or if you're gonna make some. I want to know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.